off the power to your system and thermostat before exposing wiring. I highly suggest that you download the free Nest app to your phone or tablet, connect the thermostat to Wi-Fi, and then control your thermostat from anywhere. On the display, it turns blue when cooling and orange when heating. That's the status. The status shows the time to temp and if it's heating, cooling, or using airwave. This is the current temperature, shows the temperature in your home, and your target temperature is what the current temperature is about. The Nest leaf appears when you're saving energy. And then they have these cool far sight features. This means that it has like an automatic sensor that whenever I go near our thermostat, they call it the far sight lights, lit up, and it shows me the current temperature, and sometimes it will show me the weather or the time. I highly suggest that you download the free Nest app to your phone or tablet, connect the thermostat to Wi-Fi, and then control your thermostat from anywhere. I highly recommend the Google Nest Learning Thermostat. It doesn't only saves you money, but you can get to control your heating and cooling energy even you're not at home. That is so cool. I also like that they have this energy history. We can see how we used our heating and cooling adjustments, the weather, and how it affects the energy that we use. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe and like button. Jam Cat will see you on our next video. Bye!